Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to use Dolby Atmos and the sound setting. So, at first you need to open the settings. Scroll down or just tap sound and vibration if you see this option. Here you've got audio volume settings like media volume, call volume, ring volume. Flip your phone over for DND. Pick up to silence. Audio will play on this device, so the output, notification volume, alarm volume, and multi-volume, which is here as you can see. And the option that lets you control the individual volumes of multiple applications. It can also automatically mute applications that you always usually manually mute. Here we've got dial pad tones and the ringtones for the SIM cards, default notification sound, default alarm sound, screen locking sound, tap and click sounds, screenshot sound, vibration and haptics. Here we've got always show icon when in vibrate mode. And here we've got almost the most important one, Dolby Atmos. But before that we've got charging sounds and vibration, Crystal Talk AI, which is enhanced call clarity by managing background sounds on voice over IP calls, media, show player, media controls, and live caption. So let's open this Dolby Atmos. Here you need to go at first through this introduction. Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Play the video to celebrate storyteller, inventors and technology making cinema magic together. Custom profiles. Dolby Atmos delivers a premium listening experience through your phones, loudspeakers, and connected devices. This feature is always on when you're listening through the loudspeakers, and you can adjust the settings for headphones and connected speakers. Smart adjustments. Smart audio identifies the content you're listening to and makes adjustments for optimal sound, whether you are streaming a movie, listening to music, or playing a game. Dolby technology gives you a clear dialogue, crisper detail, and more engaging sound. Here we've got landscape stereo. When you rotate your device into landscape mode, the speakers will adjust to maintain wide stereo playback. Tap the stick here to confirm, and now here we can enable or disable Dolby Atmos. Of course, you need to remember that you need to override the lock for the Dolby Atmos, because here we've got the lock. How to do it? Tap this three dots in the top right corner and tap about. Here you need to tap this version, and now you can disable or enable Dolby Atmos. Here, if you tap this gear icon right there, you can enable spatial audio as normal. When it comes to the spatial audio from compatibility, becomes more immersive, and stereo audio. Smart audio. Smart audio identifies the content and performs automatic adjustments to deliver the best sound. Music. Rich, detailed audio that delivers every note and beat with power you can feel. And with this pen icon near it, you can modify the equalizer, like brilliant treble, bass boost, vocal boost, and flat. When it comes to the profile settings, you can manage surround virtualizer and volume leveler. Here we've got movie, authentic surround sound and clear dialogue for the full impact of movies and TV shows. Game, surround sound and clearer dialogue for an immersive game experience. Podcast, boost dialogue for better speech clarity. Custom, advanced settings for your connected device. And that's how it works. Goodbye.